Hello everyone, let us continue our review for the college entrance test. Today we will tackle age problems. So the problem goes, the sum of Robert's age and Rosa's age is 60. 9 years ago, Robert was twice as old as Rosa then. How old is Rosa now? Let us now proceed to translating the statements in the problem into a mathematical expression. Okay, so nilagyan ko to ng date. Okay, so at present, 2025, yung sum ng age ni Rosa at ni Robert ay 60. Tapos meron pa isang statement, 9 years ago, so that is 2016, Robert was twice as old as Rosa then. So, noong 2016, yung mas bata si Rosa by 9 years. So, yung edad ni Rosa ngayon, minus 9, yun yung edad ni Rosa noong 2016. Ito. Pero sinabi dito that 9 years ago, si Robert ay 2 times, okay, twice as old as Rosa then. Then we proceed. Balik tayo sa 2025 at present. Si Robert, ang edad ni Robert ay yung edad ni yung 2 times ang edad ni Rosa noong 2016 kasi ito plus 9 kasi present na to. Okay? So ginamit ko to express Robert's age at present, yung 2025. Ginamit ko yung age ni Robert noong 2016 as expressed in terms of Rosa's age noong 2016. Pero since 2025 na ngayon, dinagdagan ko siya ng 9. Okay, so take note of this. Si Robert noong 2025, ito yung edad ni Robert noong 2016 as expressed in terms of Rosa's age, dinagdagan ko ng 9. Okay, so we proceed. Okay, so present na to ha. Sinabi, ang edad ni Robert at saka edad ni Rosa will sum up to 60. Okay, so ito yung edad ni Robert, ito yung edad ni Rosa is equal to 60. Okay? Okay, so yung edad ni Robert ay inexpress ko in terms of edad ni Rosa. Okay, para ang aking unknown ngayon, yung edad lang ni Rosa, natanggal ko yung edad ni Robert. Okay, so isa na lang ang unknown ko ngayon. Okay, so we proceed. Okay, then Rosa's age is 23. Here is another problem. Father is 4 times the age of his daughter. So we're talking here of present, the present. If after 5 years, so after 5 years, that is the future. If after 5 years, he would be 3 times of his daughter's age, then further, after 5 years pa, still another 5 years, ito ang tanong, how many times he would be of his daughter's age? Let us start with letting daughter's age be X at present, 2025. And father's age will be 4X kasi sabi dito, father is 4 times the age of his daughter. Ito yung present. Nilagyan ko yan ng date para makita klaro, 2025. After 5 years, okay, 2030 na yan. Sabi, after 5 years, the father would be 3 times of daughter's age. Okay, so sa 2030, tatanda din yung kanyang daughter. If at present, X ang edad ng kanyang daughter, ang sa 2030, tatanda siya by 5 years. Ito. Okay? Sa 2030, yung daughter will be, the age of the daughter will be x plus 5. Okay? At si father naman, we express his age in terms of daughter's age na 4x. Tatanda din siya sa 2030 by 5 years. Pero may sinabi dito, if after 5 years, he would be 3 times of daughter's age. Okay, so there is another statement. Okay, so he will be 3 times. Okay, so in 2030, father's age will be 3 times of daughter's age. So we solve for, ito yung ating equation, we solve for x and x is 10. This is daughter's age at present. So sa 2030, magiging plus 5, magiging 15 siya. At si father naman, kung 4x, 40 siya at present, sa 2030, magiging 45 siya. Okay? So 3 times. So ito magiging 15, si father magiging 45. So 15 times 3 is 3 times of daughter's age. Kaya lang hindi yan ang tanong. Further pa, after 5 years pa. Okay? After 5 years pa. How many times he would be of his daughter's age? So, after 5 years pa, so 2030, 2035, magiging, plus 5 to, magiging 50 na si father at si daughter ay magiging 20. Si father is 50, si daughter ay 20. 50 is to 20, that is equivalent to 2.5 times. How many times he would be of his daughter's age? 2.5 times. Still another problem. What is Aman's present age if after 20 years his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back? So we start with at present 2025. Let Aman's age be X. Okay? 10 years back, so that is 2015, Aman's age will be younger by 10. So yung age ni Aman, ngayon 2025, sa 2015 will be uh, lesser by 10. Okay? Minus 10 yon. Okay, next. After 20 years, it says here, after 20, his age will be 10 times his age 10 years back. Okay? So, ito yung age niya 10 years back, x minus 10. Sa, after 20 years, 2045. Ito, 2025 plus 2045 will be 10 times his age, so 10 times his age 10 years back. So we proceed. Okay. His age after 20 years will be X, ito, at present, plus 20. And 10 years, 20 years after, ito, sa 2045, 10 times. It's his age 10 years back. So, ito yung present age niya, X plus 20, 20 years after. In-express natin in terms of his age 10 years back times 10. Okay, so we solve for x. X is 13.3 years. Okay, another problem. Nisha is 15 years elder to Romy. If 5 years ago, Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy, then find Nisha's present age. Again, so we start with letting X be Romy's age at present. Okay, kasi yung age ni Nisa is expressed in terms of Romy's. Let X be Romy's age at present, 2025. Okay? At sinabi dito, Nisha's age is 15 years elder. Mas matanda by 15 years si Nisha kay Romy. So yung edad ni Romy plus 15, yun yung edad ni Nisha at present. If 5 years ago, Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy. So 5 years ago, that is 2020, Nisha was 3 times as old as Romy. Okay? As old as Romy. Okay, so yung edad ni Romy, syempre, 5 years ago, bata siya by 5 years. Okay, so 5 years ago, ang edad ni Nisha ay 3 times sa edad ni Romy 5 years ago. Okay, so yung edad ni Romy 5 years ago will be yung edad ni Romy ngayon minus 5. So we set up the equation. Present ito. Okay, that at present si Nisha ay 15 years older than Romy. Tapos, ito, 3 times noong edad ni Romy noong 2020, yung present, edad ni Romy noong 2020, pero dinagdagan natin ng 5 kasi 2025 ang pinag-usapan. Okay, so we proceed solving for x. Okay. X is 12.5. Yun yung edad ni Romy. Pero edad ni Nisha ang pinag-usapan, ang hinahanap. So, 12.5 plus 15 years is 27.5 years. Yan yung edad ni Nisha.